Happy Information Wednesday, Shalise McQueen here. I'm taking it from the car. I've been at a conference all day and I have an appointment I'm heading to. So we're going to do what a girl's got to do, and we're going to do this video straight from the rover. Anyhow, per my teaser, Valentine's Day is coming up and I want to talk about something called love insurance, which it's a really cute story how this came about. Every week I do research on what I think is relevant to what's going on, whether it's in the news or events, etc. And of course, with Valentine's Day, typically you get something nice and the one that loves you, and maybe it's diamonds, maybe it's chocolate, it could be a lot of different things. If it is diamonds, I know a guy if you need one. But, so I was researching, and there is a thing called love insurance that actually Chinese insurance companies happen to utilize. So what this love insurance is, and again, it's only offered in China, so it's not even relevant to us, but it's a cute little story and a segue, so bear with me. So how this love insurance works is a lot of millennials are buying into it, and you can pay a nominal fee. Typically, it's anywhere from $14 to $72. And if you marry within 3 to 13 years, large gap. I mean, whoever is going to be engaged for 13 years, you got bigger problems. But anyhow, if you actually do follow through with marriage within that time frame of 3 to 13 years, you can get a payout anywhere from $291 to $1,455. Strange numbers, I understand. I don't really get all the nitty gritty of it, other than the fact that these Chinese companies are banking on people breaking up. And turns out these Chinese millennials, about 98% do not make it to year 3 and do not procure a marriage. So kind of a scam. But nonetheless, I thought it was a really sweet little concept of having this quote unquote love insurance. Once more, we do not offer this at Farmers or any insurance company that I'm aware of in the US of A, but it is a really sweet thought. But what I do offer, which I would say a more important version of quote unquote love insurance, is something called life insurance. There's a segue. So despite what your life stage is, whether you're coupled up, you're single as a Pringle, no matter where you're at, life insurance is 100% necessity. It's not a luxury. Regardless of what may happen in your life, whether you come, obviously terminally ill, or you happen to get in a car accident, things happen every day. Tomorrow's never promised. You want to make sure you're leaving your loved ones behind, whether it's your family, your parents, your spouse, your children, whomever may be involved in your loved one category. Make sure you do them a service and not a disservice of leaving them a legacy behind and not a burden. There's so many different versions of life insurance, from term, which happens to be the most cost-effective and budget-friendly, to having even whole life policies that quote-unquote have an investment that will help subsidize, future income, retirement, etc. But above all, again, all we're trying to do is leave a legacy behind. So do yourself a favor and those around you that you happen to care about, and make sure that you have the protection that they deserve and that you need. Remember to ask yourself, are you protected? Give me a call at 602-525-5665 or email me at cmcqueen@farmersagent.com. And let's make sure we have some protection on your life, because diamonds may be forever, you are not.